Ever wish you could split those overwhelming bill payments into manageable chunks? Today, we're diving into how you can leverage Afterpay to help manage and pay your bills, breaking them down into smaller, more budget-friendly installments. While Afterpay isn't a universal bill payment solution for every company, its integration is growing, particularly with services that allow you to manage various bills through one portal or merchants that offer bill payment services. The first step is to identify if your biller or a platform you use to pay bills supports Afterpay as a payment option. You'll typically look for the Pay with Afterpay button or logo at checkout or in the payment selection section. Once you've found a compatible service, simply select Afterpay as your payment method. You'll then be prompted to log into your Afterpay account or create a new one if you're a first-time user. After confirming your purchase through Afterpay, the total bill amount will be split into 4 equal installments. The first payment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining 3 payments automatically scheduled across the next 6 weeks. It's crucial to stay on top of these payments. Afterpay sends reminders, but it's your responsibility to ensure you have sufficient funds available for each installment to avoid late fees. While Afterpay itself doesn't typically charge interest on these installments, late payments can incur fees. Always review the specific terms and conditions of the bill payment service and Afterpay's policy to understand any potential charges. Using Afterpay for bills can be a great way to ease financial pressure, but it's essential to budget wisely. Only utilize this option if you're confident you can meet all for payment deadlines. By understanding how and where to use Afterpay for your bills, and by committing to timely payments, you can take a proactive step towards managing your finances more effectively. Remember, smart budgeting is key to financial freedom. #Afterpay #bill payments.